In the last years, I would say that 99% of the flights were conducted under radio communication. So we were limited to fly in line of sight. So this was limiting many market verticals that were yet to appear.
I see that mobile telephony is really a big enabler for the drone industry. We can do, for example, pipeline inspections or inspections of power plants. We don't need a helicopter anymore. A drone is a lot more sustainable.
If you think about the benefits that drones can give to the overall economy and to many, many industries, it's safety, it's security, it's time, and it's cost. And if you think about all of the safety and security use cases, it's very clear. We can send drones to the places where a human may not necessarily securely go. We can improve the safety for the crews that are doing inspections in remote areas. We can send drones to the hotspots that no human can potentially go to. And we can also do it in a timely fashion.
Imagine if when there is an emergency, a fire, drones can go ahead, do the inspection of the building. What about all our infrastructure, the bridges, all the power plant generators, everything that could be, for example, inspected and managed with drones?
The autonomous everything is a new concept that we will see more and more in the aviation, but also in the ground. All these robots and drones will need to be connected and talking to each other.
Now with mobile technology, from one place like this, we could be flying in the other side of the world, right? So I think this is a game changer. This will certainly unleash the whole potential of the drone industry.
When you think about driving a car, getting out of your house and going to drive your car to work, you walk onto a road and you get into a car, and we take for granted all of the systems and things that are in place to allow us to commute on the ground from point A to point B. So you have things like traffic lights and street markings and signs and crosswalks and automated systems. We have cultural norms of how we look for people. It is absolutely built into our culture, into our society, our infrastructure, and our being. When you look up and you start to bring things up to the air, none of that exists. Drones are used to accomplish a job. And today we see three main jobs that people look to drones to accomplish. They want to deliver goods, they want to deliver information, and they want to deliver people. And some of those are more complex than others, so they're not all going to look the same. But the opportunities that we have in this space is to make it as easy to get one of those jobs done as it is to drive a car to work.
Our vision and the vision of all the companies involved in that is that in the future, and not in a long term, in a short term, all the operation will be one operator that is controlling hundreds or thousands of drones at the same time.
We can control ships if they are using the wrong oil on the sea. We can forecast harvest volumes when we use drones in the agricultural sector. And we can do a lot of other useful stuff. Also in the cities, for example, we can transport blood samples. Today, if I see a drone, I think, oh, that's a drone taking a picture of me. And my vision is that in the future, we don't have that anymore. We're saying, oh cool, this drone is doing some really useful stuff. I support that.
I see endless possibilities with aviation. We're just starting, I think.